Want to speak natural English in real life? Learn these everyday vocabulary words today. Overcharge. Meaning, to charge too much money. The taxi driver overcharged me. I think they overcharged us for this item. Undercharge. Meaning, to charge less than the correct or expected amount. He undercharged me by mistake. I think they undercharged me. Shortchange. Meaning, to give someone less money back than they should receive. The cashier shortchanged me. I got shortchanged at the shop. Overpay. Meaning, to pay more money than something is worth or should cost. I think I overpaid for this shirt. Don't overpay for things online. Underpay. Meaning, to pay less than what is fair or required. Don't underpay the worker. He was underpaid for his work. Misplace. Meaning, to put something in the wrong place and not be able to find it. I misplaced my phone again. She often misplaces her things. Smudge. Meaning, to make something dirty, blurred, or unclear by touching or rubbing it. I smudged the glass with my fingers. Don't smudge the writing. Fog up. Meaning, to become cloudy with moisture, for example glass or a mirror. My glasses fogged up. The mirror fogged up. Dry out. Meaning, to lose all moisture and become dry. My lips dry out in winter. The paint dried out. Jam. Meaning, to get stuck and stop moving or working properly. The door jammed halfway. My zipper is jammed and not working properly. Stick. Meaning, to not move smoothly or get slightly stuck. The drawer is sticking. The key is sticking in the lock. Get stuck. Meaning, to become unable to move or continue. My car got stuck in the mud. We got stuck in traffic. Fade. Meaning, to slowly lose color or brightness. My shirt faded after washing. The color faded in the sun. Shrink. Meaning, to become smaller, especially after washing or heating. The shirt shrank after one wash. This fabric shrinks easily. Stretch out. Meaning, to become loose, longer, or bigger than before. This t-shirt stretched out. The elastic stretched out over time. Fade away. Meaning, to slowly become weaker and disappear. The music faded away. The light faded away slowly. Go off. Meaning, to start ringing or making a sound suddenly. I couldn't wake up on time because my alarm didn't go off. The fire alarm went off suddenly. Buffer. Meaning, to pause while loading online content. The video is buffering. It keeps buffering again and again. Soak. Meaning, to become completely wet. I got soaked in the rain. My clothes got soaked. Pile up. Meaning, to increase or collect in a large amount over time. Work piled up quickly. Clothes piled up on the chair. Go bad. Meaning, to become spoiled or rotten and not safe to eat. The milk went bad. The food went bad overnight. Spill out. Meaning, to accidentally fall or flow out of a container. The book spilled out of the bag. Water spilled out of the glass. Wear off. Meaning, to slowly disappear or lose its effect. The medicine wore off after a few hours. The effect wore off quickly.